Good morning. Let's eat nuggets and chicken Alfredo. Mango buddy with chili oil, hot chili oil. Yellow mango buddy, it's sour buddy and sweet. Popcorn. Ay, cooking popcorn on the microwave. To eat. Now eating popcorn. Watching Louie. Batang pasaway eating pizza. 3 minutes in microwave.
Correct.
Alright, sure. Oh, for fishing, nanay. We're going to the beach today.
St. Augustine Beach.
St. Augustine Beach. My birthday, August. And that's the two kids sometimes fighting. Sometimes fighting, sometimes hello. Sleeping. Si baby girl is sleeping, si baby girl.
That's my picture, really.
Something that's like with lights and yung lights.
La 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 la.
Aray ko. Something that's like with lights and yung lights.
La 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 la.
Aray ko. Okay, Santino, don't loud your voice. Baby is sleeping. Nana told that na don't loud.
One five.
Santino's bike, new bike. Michael Nanay's boat. The bike. Our bed, Michael and my Mimi. Michael Juliet bed, then Santino's bed. Peacock. Ate resting.
Did you help Ate clean the kitchen?
She's not cleaning. She rests on her.
Go ask her
on her
if you
here,
Baby mo. Nagkarga si pamangkin ni Tagoro, baby.
That's what this
Anak sa